was absolutely essential in the founding of the UN, and for decades we have relied on the United States as our major political and financial supporter, thanks to the generosity of the American people, which we are very grateful about. On the other hand, I believe there are many areas where we can cooperate in a positive way, and I would think that the most important is peace. You have selected peace as a central objective of your mandate, and you have been going north and south, east and west, in all possible situations, getting or trying to get ceasefires, alleviating tensions, making peace agreements, or the building blocks of peace agreements. And I want to reassure you that the United Nations, from me to our teams on the ground, to our missions, we are entirely at your disposal to be able to work together for a just peace in the world, based on our common values.
Thank you very much.
The Constitution of the United States.
Right.
And one thing is, for me, extremely important, is that the suffering, the horrible suffering of millions of people in the world can be stopped.
Right.
And we fully appreciate your engagement in that regard.
Thank you very much. It's always an honor to be here. We've done this before, and this was a little more exciting because of the escalator and the teleprompter, but these things happen. But I will tell you that your people have treated us with great respect. Our country is behind the United Nations 100%. I think the potential of the United Nations is incredible, really incredible. It can do so much. So I'm behind it. I may disagree with it sometimes, but I am so behind it because I think the potential for peace with this institution is so great. So I just want to thank you for treating us so warmly. We very much appreciate being with you. Thank
Great
you.
pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you mind now letting us go?
Thank you, press. Nice to meet you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, press.